In this video, we will show the best electric grills available to buy. At number 10. Inditradition Camping Electric Grill. It has a non-stick cooking pan that comes with the package, in which it eases your cooking at any time. It is adjustable temperature control grill. At number 9. Unique Gadget Electric Grill. It is super speed powerful hand mixer micro switch for safety lock. It is adjustable thermostat indicator light portable for indoor and outdoor. At number 8. American Micronic AMI Barbecue Electric Griller. It can be used to grill food items quickly and efficiently. It can also be used as a tava to make a pancake, dosa. It is easy to clean and durable. At number 7. Krevia Compact Electric Barbecue Grill. It has adjustable height, temperature control, removable grill. Advanced barbecue grilling technology for fast heat transfer. At number 6. American Micronic Barbecue Griller. It can be used to grill food items quickly and efficiently. The American Micronics comes with a glass lid so that you can easily see the food while being processed. At number 5. Orbit Electric Barbecue Grill. It has a non-stick steel grill that comes with the package, and it is detachable with cool touch handle. Adjustable height. At number 4. Prestige Peg Electric Grill. The electric grill comes with superior quality non-stick coating which prevents food from sticking to the surface of the grill, thus making it user-friendly and convenient. At number 3. Skyline Barbecue Grill. This electric grill is portable and is made for both outdoor as well as indoor use. You can choose one depending on your convenience. At number 2. Wonderchef Family Size Tandoori Maker. It has adjustable slope which you can control to decide how much oil to use and retain in any dish. The voltage is 240 volts. At number 1. Prestige PPBW 04 Barbecue. This barbecue grill is extremely easy to assemble as well as clean. The unique warming rack of this portable barbecue grill lets you keep cooked food warm for a long time.